If you have a look at this code, you're gonna notice this. Our code is not clean and not concise. But why? Because we are using here inline style object. And this make our code ugly, looks ugly and not concise. So how to make our code cleaner? We have here an API from React Native called StyleSheet. This StyleSheet is a way to define and apply styles to components, similar to how CSS is used in web development. But in React Native, we are using JavaScript objects to describe styles. I'm gonna show you. First, you make sure this style sheet is imported from React Native. Okay? Second, you're gonna down here and define it. Just type const styles equals to stylesheet.create. And this create method is taking an object. And you can put inside this object the name and properties of a styling. For example, let me show you. We have here an object with some properties: text align, font size, font weight, and color. We want to move those styles down here. How to do this? First, you just need to cut them, pass here in this object styles dot, and name any thing that you want. For example, title text. This title text, you can change it to whatever you want, but please choose a name that is referred to the style. Okay? If you go down, put the name that you selected at the top. It was title text, and he's gonna be equals to the object, like that. If you go up, we have here also two inline styles still. We can make the same thing. For example, here in this text, we can cut this and give it styles dot any title we want. For example, subtitle text, and go down and add subtitle text. Finally, we have here the last one. We can cut it and give it a name. For example, red text, and go down and initialize it, red text, and press save. If you notice, nothing got changed because putting styles at the down is working the same if you put it inline object. Finally, let's format our code. You can format it using Command and Shift and K if you are using Mac, or Control Shift and K if you are using Windows, or you can make it like this. Right click and press on Format Document. Look, now our code looks much better than before. And thanks to this StyleSheet API from React Native.